Hello everybody, we are on another photography adventure. Not much of an adventure actually. We're right on the side of the road, but we are at one of my favorite waterfalls and it is just absolutely spectacular. I thought I'd take advantage of today, the fresh snowfall, and visit with a waterfall that I have photographed many times before, but it's always special. So hopefully with this snowfall, we walk away with a nice shot. What I particularly love about this waterfall is that there's a big drop in the background, which you should be able to see over here. But then it just cascades gorgeously down this spot here, which is very, very slippery and probably not the brightest spot to be standing. But when you get the camera low and you're able to get that foreground rushing past the lens, it makes for a gorgeous shot. And now we have icicles and snow, fresh powder everywhere. So let's get up there and see what we can do. All right, so I think I got my first shot here, and it's with this water running through the foreground and the waterfall in the background. The only thing I don't care about the shot is this particular tree, and you can see it in the video right now. In the top corner, you got just that little bit exposed. It doesn't look like a tree. You don't see the bottom, you don't see the top. It's a bit distracting. I'm gonna see if I can Photoshop it out, which some might say is a little bit too much of a manipulation to the image. But I don't know. I think without that tree, it would make all the difference. And if the photo comes out, here's the shot. All right, this next waterfall shot is all about the foreground. We have this first waterfall rapid filling the foreground, and then the falls in the back on the rule of thirds in the background. I'm also making sure I don't include too much blank white sky in the background. And if the shot comes out, here it is. All right, we made it to the top of the waterfall. Absolutely spectacular. Generally, I don't photograph so much here at the base or the right where the waterfall drops. I like foreground, I like elements of interest, and I find those photos come to me more likely as I'm walking up the creek to the actual waterfall. But I do see some gorgeous icicles at the top, and I see some things that catch my interest. So I'm gonna walk around a little bit here and see what else we can find.